Body studies out of USC and Stanford hint that the coronavirus may have been more widespread than originally thought, significantly dropping the disease's mortality rate. But the study's methods and antibody tests themselves are facing heavy criticism from scientists. Sam Spangler has more in the story new at 10.
Many took the studies as a huge step in the right direction in our fight against COVID-19, as they showed that the disease is not as deadly as previously thought. But Dr. Edward Desmond of the Department of Health says that due to the studies not being peer-reviewed, they're unreliable.
The studies from Stanford and USC didn't go through that process. It's more than usually possible that there could have been some flaws in the study design.
Those include sampling of patients that were inclined to have disease rather than random population, and antibody tests that give false positives.
It could have led to an oversampling of people who were sick and had antibodies. So it might not be truly representative of the prevalence of antibodies in the population.
Antibody testing became available in Hawaii last weekend, with doctors of Waikiki testing first responders with a rapid antibody test of their own. They say it's 95 to 97% accurate.
I have to tell you, the blood test is just right, almost right on point with the PCR test. That's from all the data points that we gathered. It's awesome.
The results indicate COVID-19 was in Hawaii before we realized. Hawaii's first positive case was back on March 6th.
We tested over 500 different first responders and identified about 1% of them had the antibody, and all of them had consistent history of having this really bad URI, flu-like symptom that went through the whole entire household. Probably, it seems like the time frame was always late February and early March.
Desmond thinks that reliable antibody testing will soon play a role in Hawaii.
We think that antibody testing is going to be in our future for surveillance to see how prevalent was the infection here in Hawaii.
Now, it's not yet known if those with antibodies are immune to COVID-19, or if so, for how long. Doctors of Waikiki is offering essential workers antibody testing. To see if you qualify or to schedule an appointment, head over to KHON2.com. Sam Spangler, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.